recording the sewer line here at 5027 9th Avenue Northeast. Date is April 30th, 2020, Thursday, excuse me. Recording this from the hole we've dug and broke into the sewer line to clear the pipe. So we were able to get the pipe clear yesterday, but here is a blockage we're still encountering down underneath the street. I sent some pictures over to Mr. Joe Vu, who has a picture of where this is located in the street, but there is a massive tree root, growing down underneath the street, about 50-some feet, 60 feet away from this hole. So we're going to pull back. We need to do some more jetting to try to get that guy out, but that is massive, and I am not 100% sure whether jetting is going to be able to do the job to get that thing out of there. That's taking up the entire pipe. So coming back from that, looks like the pipe potentially is broken at the top side there. It's tough to tell until we can get a little more of that root out, but we definitely have some major issues going on at the pipe down underneath the road. So we're going to come back from that. This is clay pipe we're going through right now. It's intact. And now we're coming into concrete pipe. So coming back through concrete. So there, that was 6-inch concrete. I'm now coming back into 4-inch concrete. So this is 4-inch I'm coming back through now, 4-inch diameter. There's a small section here that was replaced with plastic, so we're in plastic now. So somebody's dug this up and replaced it with plastic at some point for about 5 feet or so there. Now we're back into concrete pipe again. Upside down, let me flip us around. Concrete pipe is pretty worn. It's original to the house, and it is worn out. So we're coming back. That's a downspout tie-in likely from the roof, one of the roof drains, and we're getting pretty close to coming out of this hole. We're going to come out of the hole, and then we're going to go upstream. So I'll pause the video for a second, and then we're going to go upstream back towards the house to inspect that portion of the line. So that hole is about 58 feet out there. I'm going to give you a little view of our excavation. There is the broken pipe in question. And I'm going to pause and then go upstream. Okay, resuming the recording. I've pushed the camera as far up back towards the house as I can go. It's about 25 feet up. I'm running into another soft blockage up there. We got some dirt and some toilet paper waste. The pipe is very worn. There's some more of that toilet paper waste. So a lot of waste upstream still. We got some roots up there. We're going to try to jet some more of that stuff out as well. Concrete pipe on the right side there, starting to come apart. Top right part of the screen there. Concrete pipe is falling apart. This pipe is very aggregate and worn. And it's going to continue to cause issues here. But there's a Y for a tie-in upstream. Got some standing sewage here, maybe a little bit of a flat spot, but this aggregate old pipe is what's catching up a lot of the sewage and not allowing it to drain properly. Alright, I'm going to end the video there. We got a little more jetting to do. We're going to install a repair today. And I'm ending the video.